Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through the process of changing the duration of text in Canva. If you want to add text to a video in Canva for a specific duration, follow these steps. Go to the left side of your screen and click on Text. Then choose Add a Text box to input your desired text. Type in your text and customize it to your liking. Once you're happy with the text, position it where you want it in your video. When you play the video, you'll notice the text stays visible throughout. To adjust this and show the text for a set time, do the following. Click on the text, then on the three dots, select Show Timing from the options. Go to the timeline and adjust when you want the text to appear and disappear. It's that simple. Now, the text will only be visible during the specified time frame. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.